Good morning, everybody. Mike Vaki, Princetontrader.com, here with your Wednesday morning month-end market webcast. So, what are we doing? We are in the middle of the bulls trying to execute a multi-day bear market pop. And the key for me is 2,700 to 2,703. That represents the 9-day moving average. I spent the vast majority of yesterday long. We got long 38 off the open. Really nice move up, about 30 handles worth. Then we chopped a little bit midday. We had a nice short from 60 that we did for about 10. We had one from 57 we did for about 10. And then we ended up going ahead and just getting long because it became readily apparent that the bulls wanted to control that close. So we got long 60. We're currently long 60. It's run about 45 going on 50, 52, 54 handles. So it ends up being a really solid day. I'm content to let this ride into the open, and we'll see what the open brings. If we get into that 2,700 to 2,703 area off the open, how that reacts, it could turn into a dip buy. If this is going to be a multi-day rally into the jobs report on Friday, up into the area of the 200-day and potentially the daily mid-band, then you would expect whatever dip gets produced in the morning, that dip gets bought and we make a higher high and they follow through. So the reason we ended up getting long yesterday was because we had all this compression on the hourly mid-band. And we really kind of chopped around. But once it started to break out, and your mid-band was effectively 57 to 60 was your hourly mid-band. We talked in the morning, the hourly mid-band was going to be key. Once it started to expand, it certainly had enough fuel to get up to the weekly pivot, which it did. It tried to hold it a little bit overnight, and then it broke above by about 20, 24 handles once it got through. So for me, round number 2,700 to 2,703, you see the hourly mid-band now reaching up to to meet up with the weekly pivot there, 89 to 91. That'll be critical too. The volatility is still baked into this market. So pulling back 20 handles to test these areas in the light of day, not out of the question, and how price reacts to that is going to be huge. So we open in about, 50 minutes? We'll see how it goes. Big day, big week, big month. You trade this stuff? Come and see us. You want to learn how to trade this stuff? Come and see us. We would love to meet you. We'd love to help you out. Take care, trade them well, be out with some stuff on social. Follow us over on Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat at Princeton Trader. Check us out on Facebook and join us for a free trial at www.princetontrader.com. Trade them well.